How to change Google Voice on Google Maps. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to go and open Google Map apps on your mobile. As you open Google Maps on your mobile, then you have to go on this profile option that is located up above. Click on that. As you click on the profile option, now you will have all these kinds of option over here. You have to go on the settings option. As you go on the settings option, now over here there is an option of app language. You can click on the app language, and over here you will be seeing all the languages that are over here. But if you want to change the language, you can change it from here. But if you want to change the voice, then you have to over here you have to find navigation settings. As I have to scroll down and go to navigation settings. As I go to navigation settings, then there are different kind of options over here. Over there is a voice selection option. Now I can select any voice, speak state names or whatever, and then I can select any voice from here. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.